nights in the mirror, midnight on my breath, backseat full of bad decisions, and a heart scared to death. Steel on my wrist, cold truth setting in. Funny how rock bottom is where redemption begins.
I fought every warning, I read every sign,
but you can't outrun mercy when it's chasing your life. Hallelujah, in handcuffs, tears falling to the floor. Found freedom in surrender like I never had before. When I finally hit my knees, I wasn't asking for love. I found my first real prayer, and hallelujah.